You gotta be sleepy. You gotta be tired.
She was resting.
So we're gonna TikTok for real estate, TikTok for lenders. So we're gonna teach you how we have been utilizing TikTok and what we're doing to make sure that we're top of mind. Now, I'm gonna just be honest here, I'm not like an expert in TikTok. Yes, we've had, hundreds of thousands of views. What's our best TikTok video?
Like 200,000?
Yes, like 200,000 views. Again, organic. So we typically get over several thousand views on each one. Some of them take off, some of them don't. But the key is like to keep on doing it consistently. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna walk you through what we do with TikTok. So go to our TikTok page. What's our URL? Just Krista Mashore?
Krista Mashore.
Krista Mashore _ is our TikTok handle. And you get to see Stormy. Just to let you know, Stormy's name used to be Peaches. There was nothing peachy about her. Her name now is Shitstorm. Stormy for short. Say, I'm a little Shitstorm, little Storm. Right now she's tired, but we like to have a mascot. So one of the mascots that we have, you'll notice, is Pepper. Come here, Pepper. There. Pepper is one of our mascots. Say hi, okay? Pepper's a mascot. So they actually like Pepper more than me. Now we are also using Stormy as in our TikTok videos. It's really important with TikTok or with pretty much any platform. I want you to think about how you can use things or create different, props or people or animals. Maybe it's a dog or a shitstorm like this or whatever it might be, to incorporate that into your videos and try as often as possible. You'll notice that I've got Stormy, I've got Pepper in my videos because I want to be able to relate to people that aren't just real estate. Another thing I want you to realize is that a lot of these videos are not just real estate videos, right? You want to make sure that you're mixing up with TikTok, with YouTube, with any platform, quite frankly. It can't just all be about work. It can't just all be about like, I'm selling this house and I'm so great and I'm number one. Like, nobody cares. They want to get to know you as a person. They want to get to know you as a wife, as a mom, as a friend, as a business person, as somebody in the community. So make sure that you're not just only doing real estate or lending stuff. Make sure you're letting them see, like for me, I love food. Like I'm a total foodie. So go through my channel. You're gonna see that I post food a lot. You're also gonna see that I'm kind of funny, right? A little bit. So like not really funny naturally. I'm kind of naturally funny and weird. And so you're gonna see my humor in there. I'm not always trying to be perfect. I don't always look the best. I don't always have like the perfect hairdo or the perfect lipstick on. Sometimes you're gonna be like, holy crap, did she just do that? Like I've got one video where I'm toothless. So those are the kind of things I want you to kind of look at. Not just always doing real estate. How can you show wife, mother, friend, community person, business person? How can you show the real human side? How can you help people? How can you just be you, right? Sometimes you'll notice I talk about things that, quite frankly, like maybe you're a little bit personal. I show some vulnerability. I recently just talked about the fact that I'm having a little bit of difficulty in my marriage right now. Like things have just been a little tougher, right? We're working through it. We're going to be amazing, but it can't always be great. So I think in TikTok, in these videos that you're watching, try to see all of those aspects, if that makes sense. Okay, so Annabelle, this is Annabelle. I've got to help her. Say hi, Annabelle.
Hi.
So not everybody has an Annabelle, right? So I didn't always start off having an Annabelle, but now I'm at a point in my company where I've got 42 employees. And so now that I have been, doing my coaching for 4.5 years, been in real estate for 21 years, I have the ability to have help. And so it's awesome because I have Annabelle. She helps me research like what's trending on TikTok. What are the most common used songs? What are the common, what do you do?
I look through TikTok. It's a fun job. I get to scroll on TikTok all the time. Find what's trending and what's going on. But what I do most of the time to figure out content is I look through what's trending to find trending audios. There are certain trends that are silly that are just like, you're just mouthing the words, which we do those sometimes. We incorporate them. But another thing I do is I listen to Krista talk all the time. So I pick up on things that she's saying that I'm like, that would be a really good like little blurb for a TikTok video. So then we kind of generate them and we just work on them, and it's taken months and months and months, I think. And now we're getting the hang of it.
Yeah, so that's really a good point, all right? So like Annabelle said, it's taken months and months and months. And one of the things that I've noticed in business, and especially like in real estate, right? So let me give you an example. Every single month we do a free challenge. So we do a free challenge for real estate agents. Now mind you, I've sold over 2,300 homes in my career, been in the top 1% of realtors nationwide. We literally are online digital marketing specialists. In fact, let me show you something. Come in here real quickly. So right now we're getting ready for our 3-day boot camp. Everyone say hi. Hi. I know it's totally a mess in here because we're doing all these packages. We're doing this cool stuff for the boot camp. Right now we're making our packages. We're giving them their manifesto. We're doing all this cool stuff. So come over here. Again, don't judge. It's all our stuff. Ooh, 75K. We got these made. Yay. And here's an example. Oh my God, we got more. You guys, we got more. 2 couple words. Oh, these are boxes. Okay, man, I was like, wow. But if you look here, see all this? these are all of our awards that we've gotten. Here's our most recent one we've gotten. This shows that we've made $25 million online. We're very close to getting 50 million. We'll have that before the next Funnel Hacking Live. Now, why am I telling you this? Because I'm an expert digital marketer and an expert real estate agent, and right now anybody watching this needs to know how to market themselves online. Doing things like open houses, cold calling, and door knocking do not work anymore, and even if they do, they're not the most effective, efficient way to utilize your time. So you need to learn how to be an expert digital marketer, right? Like that right now is so important, learning how to be a digital marketer and to sell houses. So the point is that we're doing these challenges and people aren't showing up, right? So the point is keep watching. We'll go back to TikTok now. Back to TikTok. All right, so, and honestly, this is the case with anything, is that Annabelle said it took us time. It took us time to figure out like who we were and to kind of get our voice and to get the hang of things. And what I find is, and that's why I was showing them the 2 Convo Club awards, is that people do not give it the time it takes, right? So I do this challenge every single month, and it's 5 days long for an hour. And people, about 70% of people do not make it to day 5. You've got to give it the time it takes. You've got to give it the time to identify who your audience is, what your voice is, what you're good at, right? And give it the time that it takes. That. Understand that you're not going to hit it out of the park every single time. You're going to make mistakes. Some people aren't going to like you. They're going to give you bad words and they're going to say mean things to you. That's okay, because if you don't have haters, you haven't made it yet. Like, you want to have haters, and you're going to get better in time. You're going to attract the right people. Some of the TikToks that we do, like, we don't get anything. Some that we do, it's like crazy what we get. We have no idea. So you've just got to keep on going and not stop, and know that you will attract your right ideal audience. Just be you. You'll attract your right people. Let them see your personality. Let them hear your voice. Let them see the fun, silly side of you and the serious side of you. Let them see the business side of you, the personal side of you. Let them really get to know who you are and follow what's trending and follow what's working inside TikTok.
Let's do one of the trending ones maybe.
So trending, so another thing you can do on trending in TikTok is you can look up at the search bar. And so what I like to do is not just look at real estate, but I want to see like what other professions are doing. Like what's maybe a health and fitness coach, what's maybe somebody that's like an entrepreneur, or somebody a business development, or a multi-level marketer. And I'm going to look up like multi-level marketing, or let's just do it. I can search right now.
Here,
so
discover.
in the search bars, I can hit discover, right? And then so hit discover. Then I could search, let's just say health and fitness. Healthy dinner recipes, healthy lifestyle, right? Healthy food. I can do that. Now what's going to happen is it's going to show me the most top rate. Let's do health and fitness. Health and fit mads, health and fit, getting fit and healthier, health and fitness podcast. So I can look up on here, and now it's going to show me the top trending videos that are coming up, okay? Now I can watch these certain videos that are coming up, and based upon what's trending in other areas, not just in real estate or in lending, I can look at what's trending there and see how I can relate what's happening or what they're doing to my business, right? It's what people sometimes they call it like hacking. I'm gonna hack that person. I don't call it hacking, I call it emulating. How can I see what's working in a different business that doesn't really relate to mine, see what they're talking about, what's trending, and how can I relate that to what I'm doing in my business? I do that not only with TikTok, but pretty much with any type of platform. Like what's happening in the news, how can I relate to TikTok? What's happening on, that's what's being talked about in my community, how can I relate that to TikTok? What's happening, in the world, how can I relate that to TikTok? What's happening in my favorite TV show, how can I relate that to TikTok? That's one of the things that we do to get content. Now try to when you do this, people, when you're doing your TikTok, try to get all the crap away. My house is in shambles right now because I have 2 new dogs. We just had Summit, and it's pretty much like a shit show here. So try your hardest not to let it be like that where you're doing it. I need to say this. Some of the things that you're gonna be doing, you're gonna think are stupid or don't make sense. I cannot tell you how many times I'm like, this is so stupid. Like, it's so stupid. Why am I doing this? Well, apparently stupid works. So do the thing. If it's trending, do it, even if you're not sure why, even if you don't feel like doing it, still do the thing. Okay, so now I'm gonna be, oops, I just farted, don't tell anybody.
It's also easier than sometimes it seems. Like this is gonna be, you're just eating,
Yeah.
I mean,
okay. Everyone likes to eat, right?
So,
See?
even
Easy.
though that seems funny, like she's just eating, what I'm gonna do is make sure I leave space above it, and I'm gonna add text, and you can add text about anything. But what's grabbing people's attention is she's eating, and that's it. And then they're gonna read what she's doing in the video, what's written there. So it's easier than it looks a lot of times.
Seems pretty lame, right? But it works. Okay.
So it's another one, thank you,
Okay.
3 times.
Okay.
And it's after the sound.
Where should we do that? Got it. Okay. Another one, thank you. Another one, thank you.
Perfect.
See, that's easy.
Yep.
I like the easy ones. I hate the ones where they make me dance. I'm like, dance like friggin' suck. This is perfect. Perfect. Oh, perfect. I forgot. We keep saying it. Okay, this is perfect.
This is perfect.
Perfect?
Yeah, that's how she's
Perfect.
saying it.
Perfect. Okay.
Yes.
She's like, stop passing me back and forth, Mom.
Ready?
This is perfect. 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 Still sucked.
I can edit it though, because there's a long
Okay.
pause at the beginning, so
Is
I
it
can
okay?
line it up. Yeah.
Okay. Good, thank you. These my girl, you sleepy, huh? Let's go night night.
For video text, if you say, if you're a real estate agent and you've never made a sale, do this.
Okay, perfect. If you're a real estate agent and you've never ever done a sale, not work with the buyer, not work with the seller, I want you to do this. 10 video text messages a day. Now, you've got a cell phone, that's all you need. So I hope that was helpful about how to use TikTok in your real estate and lending business. Remember, all platforms are great. Pick which one that works for you. Learn, implement, master, repeat. Learn it, implement what you're learning, become a master at it, and then go back and repeat it again until you absolutely know exactly what you're doing. You can move on to the next platform. See you soon. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.